Connecting Printful to your Shopify store is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Connecting Printful to your Shopify store offers several benefits, especially if you're interested in selling custom printed or dropship products. Printful is a print-on-demand and dropshipping service that allows you to create and sell custom designed products without the need for inventory management or order fulfillment. Lastly, to begin the process, log in to your Shopify store. If you don't have one, setting up a store on Shopify is easy. Just sign up with your email address and follow the steps. To use Printful, visit their website at printful.com and sign up. Click on Let's Go button to go next. The sign-up process is entirely free. You can register with your email address or Google account. Just select the account you want to continue with. Click to agree with the given terms and conditions and click on Sign Up. Now you need to select your main goal of using Printful. Then select your business type and total revenue of your business. Also, select the type of products you're interested in selling. You can also skip this part if you're not interested in answering. Printful offers a wide range of products you can customize, including t-shirts, bags, mugs, and more. Printful is a very useful tool that offers product catalog, orders, product templates, file library, stores, branding, billing, statistics, and much more, which are easily accessible from the dashboard. In product templates, you'll find a number of readily available templates that you can use for customization. Also, you can make your own template, after which you just need to take your pick from their catalog and start selling online or showcase your work. These are the templates that you can use. Printful offers a wide range of customizable products including apparel, accessories, home decor, and more. By connecting Printful to your Shopify store, you can easily add these products to your catalog without having to invest in inventory. With Print on Demand, you don't have to purchase products in advance. You only pay for the items when you receive an order, which means you can start an e-commerce business with minimal upfront costs. Printful allows you to add your custom designs to products, which is ideal for creating branded merchandise or unique items tailored to your niche or audience. Go to your dashboard and you'll find an option for stores. Click on it and you'll see that you can connect various online store platforms to Printful, including WooCommerce, Etsy, Shopify, eBay, Amazon, Wix, and more. Click on the Choose Platform button. Then select Shopify as your platform and click Connect. If you haven't already, create your Shopify account. Once your Shopify store is set up, you'll need to install the Printful app on Shopify. Then connect your store. After that, you can add your products. To do this, go to your Shopify admin, navigate to the Apps section. Here, select Recommended Apps. Once you're here, click on Shopify App Store. Search for Printful and choose the Printful Print on Demand app. Click on the Install button to install the app. Here, again, click on Install App. Click on Continue to go ahead. Now, click on Connect button to confirm connection and it will be added to your Shopify store. Once the app is installed, you can proceed to connect your store. If you've already signed up for Printful as mentioned earlier, click Continue. In the Store section of Printful, you'll see your Shopify store listed there. Click on the View Store button given right next to it. The next step is to add and design products. Let's start by designing a product for your store. You can create various products, including men's clothing, women's clothing, kids' items, hats, accessories, home goods, and more. Pick a product, add your design, and save it as a product template. You can later edit, order, and add designed products to your store. For this example, let's design a men's premium t-shirt. Click to open the template. Here, you'll have the option to customize the product, such as adding designs, text, adding clip art, or using pre-made designs. You can also select to view your product from different angles. In this case, we'll select a pre-made design and add it to our t-shirt. Once you're satisfied with the design, choose your product's color and customize it further as needed. Click on the text and add whatever text you want to write on this shirt. You can also change the position of the text if you want. Next, you can add media. Select main mockup image along with other mockups. Once you're done, click on Continue. You can even adjust pricing or set it on Shopify later. Proceed to review and finalize your product, including adding a product title, description, and size guide if necessary. Finally, you can set the pricing for your product on Printful or do it later on Shopify. Also, you can select to add size guide, free shipping, and revenue for your store if you want to. Just turn on their toggles. From here, you can allow the free shipping. Once it is all set, click Submit to Store, and your product will be submitted to your Shopify store. You can also create a product list on Printful and import it into Shopify. Your Shopify store is now connected to Printful, allowing you to design and add products to your store easily. This integration provides you with the flexibility to create a wide range of customized products for your business, all free of charge. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more helpful content in our upcoming videos.